Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Man, I got a voice. God, my mustache is creepy as hell. Oh my God, yes, I love it. I love it. Let me know in the comment section below. How's the stash? So we've got a watch in stock. It is the Seiko SSC813. This is the Rolex Daytona. If you haven't seen the video, about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I made a video talking about the most affordable watch, or I should say the best affordable alternatives to luxury watches. And this Seiko was in the top 10. It is an homage to the Rolex Daytona. I'm not sure if they're ripping it one for one. They're definitely not ripping it one for one. But I don't know if they actually took inspiration from it or just a Panda dial. It kind of looks like a Tudor as well, the Tudor chronograph. That Tudor Black Bay chronograph is, I'm going to have to try it on at the AD soon enough. They actually have that one in store, so I'm going to have to go try that out. But first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at this Seiko. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe below, like, check out the description. I've got all the links to my social media. I'm going to say it again, just so you guys do it. So yeah, let's get started. All right, and before we get started, I just want to remind you guys to like and subscribe. It really does help me out. So please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I have the links to my other social media in the description below. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. So, all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get that Seiko in the hands here. So here is the Seiko box. Let me go ahead and focus on such. I'm really excited to open up this watch. I loved the way the watch looked, and I'm really excited because I know I'll never have a Daytona, or I shouldn't say never, but most likely won't have a Daytona in my life. So this is going to be the next best thing, and yeah, I'm just excited to open it up. So let's go ahead and remove this cardboard sleeve. I own, I think 2 other Seikos, 3 other Seikos maybe. So this is the first time I've seen this, bi-colored box here with the white top and black base. So let's go ahead. I guess here is the SKU number there. Oop. There's the SKU Prospex SSC813. $675 is the retail on this. There might go for a little bit more on the secondhand market, but we'll see. Check out that beauty. Simple pillow. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Nothing else. I guess there's some paperwork underneath there. But you guys came here for the watch, not the box, and check out that beauty. Oh my God, that is so nice. I love the Panda dial on that. Wow. That is nice. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off here. It's a little bit smaller of a watch than I'm used to. I believe this is a 39 mil. Let me take this plastic off and then I'll measure out everything. What is happening here? Never ceases to amaze me how hard it is to unwrap everything. I just want to take the plastic off. And every company is different. They all do it their own same way. I think I'm going to do... Oh my God. Here we go. All right. I can't even press the button. Do I get the knife out? Do I get the knife out? No, I'm just gonna tear it with my fingers. Oh no. Well, some residue there. Oh God, hang on. All right, and here it is with the plastic removed. Man, it looks so nice. I like the faux patina hands. Really goes well with that white dial. I like that contrast between the dial and that bezel. Bezel obviously does not rotate. It's pretty stationary. I think this is a 39 millimeter. Let me go ahead and get a measurement here. Yeah, 39 on the button. And let me get a thickness reading here. About 13.4 thick. So this is pretty nice. Oh my God, let me see what these functions do. So the top pusher, going away? Oh, there it goes. It does start the chronograph there. And then it stops it, and then I'm pretty sure this resets it. Nice sweep back. So it's not a mecha quartz. It sweeps ever so slowly back. Pull it out to the first position. I believe that's changed the date. Yep, it does. Okay. And then second position, I assume it changes the time. Down here at the bottom is a power indicator, and it has like F to E. So that really plays in with the racing theme. I like that a lot. Man, this watch has some nice flecto. I really like that. It really pops. Really does. All right, let me go ahead and pop this on the wrist. I'm not wearing anything right now, so I was prepared for this moment. A little loose on my wrist, but man, check that out. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Simple Seiko clasp. Whew. I am excited to fully review this. That doesn't look too bad. 39 millimeter. I thought that was going to wear a little bit bigger. Or I'm sorry, a little bit smaller, but it looks pretty good overall. Wow, I like that a lot. We've got the brushing on the top. We have polishing on the sides. It pops like none other. This is a very good investment for $650. You're not going to be upset. This is going to put the Bulova Lunar Pilot on notice. Oh man, between the an homage to the Daytona and the Lunar Pilot, that's an homage to the Speedmaster. I shouldn't say it's an homage. It's actually an original design, but it looks very much like a Speedmaster. That looks really good on the wrist. I'm excited to wear this. This looks absolutely stunning. Wow. I'm a loss for words right now. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around and give you guys my final thoughts. And there it is, the Seiko SSC813. Now, first impressions, this watch looks just as good in the press photos as it does in the metal right here. I'm very surprised how well this looks. Off the get-go, I love the contrast of that dial, that very stark white dial with the deep black subdials, and that cream patina on the handset. Very good, chef kiss. The black bezel I really, really like. And the movement itself, I actually enjoy. It's a solar-powered chronograph, not mecha quartz, so you don't really get that clickiness in the pushers. But still, I like the sweep of the seconds hand on the way back. And I like the little sub-dial indicator there for the power reserve. One big thing, the bracelet feels a little loose. I'm going to have to try it on and just wear it daily and see how well it actually fits on the wrist. But for right now, yeah, it just seems a little bit loose, a little bit jangly. And I don't really wear a lot of Citizens. Or I'm sorry, I wear a lot of Seikos. I'm more of a Citizen guy. My Citizen Skyhawk, I've worn that for years, and that bracelet just feels so much better than this. And it's about the same price point. I think the Citizen Skyhawk was around that $600 price point. But yeah, this thing feels pretty good. It doesn't have the most micro adjustments. But once again, let me see how it fits on the wrist. Let me see how it wears, and we'll go from there. So far, I'm liking it. Just on the finishing and presence alone, it looks really good, very good. I'm actually genuinely surprised how well it looks. But all right, let me go ahead and flip this around. Ooh, it winds nice too. I mean, not wind, but like moving the hands feel very good. I assume that's just because of the quartz movement in there. But yeah, I like it. I like it so far. Keep your eyes open for the actual full review later on. And if you guys like this video, please like below, hit subscribe, the bell icon. All of my social media links are in the description below. Please feel free to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Twitch if you guys want to see some video game action. And then yeah, keep a lookout for future videos. And share this video with your friends because I need some more subs. I'm only at 2,200. I need some more. Please hit the subscribe button. feed my family. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.